Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again. So this is a series where I am sharing all the skincare products that I've been using lately to cure the acne that I've been getting lately, and I've been getting a lot. So this, you can see the scars. Yeah, so I am somebody with extremely oily and acne prone skin, and any wrong product, if used on my skin, it definitely worsens the situation. So I have been on a hunt from past almost 10 years to find the perfect moisturizer for me. I have tried a few in the past, they have worked for me, and I keep switching my moisturizers every 3 to 4 months. So lately I have been using one product, which is the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Now I was not aware of Aveeno as a brand. Like, I've been using Neutrogena or maybe Dot & Key, but then this particular brand I have not came across. But then yeah, I just picked it up from Health and Glow store, and I started using it. So I was looking for something new to try, and then something that would actually help me with my oily skin and acne prone skin. And from the past, I think 2-3 months, I've been getting a lot of acne. I've already mentioned on the channel that I have hormonal acne. I have been facing this from quite some time, and I can also show you the scars. So if you can see, like the past 3-4 months, I got a lot of acne, and they have left like pretty evident scars on my face, and I wanted to get rid of those, but I'm not into skin peeling or peeling exfoliation. I'm extremely scared of that. So I wanted to use things that actually work, fade away the acne, and also not let the acne appear. So I came across this particular brand, which is Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion, Nourish Normal Plus Dry Sensitive Skin. Now you must be confused, like, this girl has oily skin and she's using something for dry skin. Let me tell you one thing, my skin is oily and at the same time it is extremely dry. So, and in a lot of cases when you have oily skin, actually your skin is very, very dry, and that is how your body compensates for the dryness with extreme oiliness. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so I just came across this product. I was not aware of this brand. I've not used it before. I do follow a makeup artist on my YouTube, and she uses Aveeno a lot before her makeup. So that is how I got to know about Aveeno. And look, you don't see a lot of Aveeno brands endorsements on YouTube or on TV. So this was a new brand for me, but I did wanted to give it a try. And this is dermatologically tested. It is dermatologist recommended brand. So that what got me hooked, and I was like, okay, let's give it a try. And when I saw the package, I first thought it is not a moisturizer, it's a lotion for the body. But then I did confirm it, so I can use it on the face. So I was like, okay, chalo, I'll give it a try. Before this, I've been using the Dot & Key ceramide moisturizer. Even for that, I will be sharing a review very soon. So first, I'll go ahead with this one, because I've been using this for almost 1.5 months now, and I think this is a good time to share a review with you. So let me tell you a little bit about this. So this particular brand is dermatologically tested. It does not have any sort of fragrance, doesn't have like extremely active ingredients. It only helps you give a good moisturization on the face. And one thing that I've noticed is when I apply this, it completely gets absorbed into my skin very, very quickly. So that is one thing that I liked about this. And when I started using this product, and at that time, basically I was using a face wash, which was the Dermaco AHA BHA face wash, which is actually an active ingredient. So I thought that I need some sort of moisturizer which will actually help me to replenish what I am removing from my skin with using that face wash, because those face washes help you get rid of at least 2-3 layers of your skin, outer surface of the skin. And after using that, you need a good moisturizer. So I did stumble upon across this, and then I was like, okay, let's give it a try. So I've been using this from past 1.5 months, and so far no complaints. It absorbs amazingly onto the skin. Right now I do not have any makeup on. Like, this is my bare skin, and you can see a lot of, I do have a lot of blemishes, and plus these ugly hideous scars. It is actually like it's in a pattern, like you can see, like I usually get it on my cheeks, but this is the first time I got on the side of the cheek, so I was like really scared. It doesn't look good, but then it has helped me replenish the skin after using that face wash. So I will share you the face wash review also. Even that is a really good product that has really helped me fade away the acne scars. So yeah, this product, I would say, if you're somebody with extremely oily skin, try to avoid this, because this will really give you a nice glow, and also after some time your skin will start producing the oil. I am fine with it, like I'm okay with having a little bit of oil on the T-zone, that is fine by me. But then if you're somebody who has like extremely oily skin, like dripping oily, like shiny, try to avoid it. I'll tell you another moisturizer that will help you. But if you have like dry patches, or you need something that will replenish the skin, that will give your skin a little bit of glow, go for this. The price of this product is $285, which is around, you'll get it for $250, $260 like that if you buy it from online. But then from the store I picked it up for $285, and I think this product is really good. It has really helped me. After the face wash, when I use this, I feel like my skin is really rejuvenated. Like even in the nights I mostly use it, so I feel like the next day I'm waking up with good skin, so which is a good feeling. So yeah, I definitely like this one. Also, one thing that I noticed with this particular moisturizer was, like, it does not leave any cast. It does not sit on the surface of the skin, which I hate. Like if I'm using any sort of product and it is not absorbing into my skin, I feel like it's a waste, because anyways the whole day I'll be touching my face, tapping my face. It just it just gets off your face anyways. So if it is not absorbing well, I don't use that. I personally don't like such products. But this particular face cream, I mean, when I use it, it just within seconds it's like into the skin, and when you touch it afterwards, when I feel like, okay, now is it already inside? Yes, it is. So there's nothing on the surface. It goes very well with my combination skin. It is really working well with the dry patches. I do not have any dry patches as of now. So yeah, if you are somebody who is very much like on the dry, oily side of the skin, go ahead and give it a try. I really like this product. I'll mention all the details in the description. Go ahead and read that. If you want to give it a try, go ahead. This is an amazing product. I'm really loving it so far, and I think I will be continuing using this.